this lesson, I'm going to show you how to make a smooth website scrolling effect in Premiere Pro. To be able to do that, first of all, you're going to need a full screenshot of a web page. There are different ways you can take a full screenshot of a web page depending on what browser you're using. In this example, I'm using Microsoft Edge. Now, to take a full screenshot of a web page in Microsoft Edge, you're going to head over to the Settings and More button, click on it. Among the options, you're going to see the screenshot option. So when you click on that, at the top of the page, you get these three options. You have the capture area, capture screen area, then you have the capture full page. Now, when you click on the capture full page, it's going to take the screenshot of the entire web page. As you can see right here. And then you can go ahead and click on this save button to download it. Now, if you're using a different browser, you can go ahead and search for YouTube tutorials on how to take screenshots on your browser. Now, after getting your screenshots and importing it in Premiere Pro, you're going to make sure that the image is well positioned in the preview at the point where you want the scrolling to start by adjusting the position and scale values. Now, after doing that, with the image selected on the timeline, you're going to head over to position. You're going to add a keyframe to position. After adding a keyframe, you're going to move a few seconds into the clip, depending on where you want the scrolling to end. In this case, I want it to end here. So I'm going to add another keyframe and then adjust the value of position to where I want the scrolling to end. After doing that, I'm going to select both keyframes and then right click on one of them, head over to temporal interpolation and then select ease in. I'm going to right click on it again, head over to temporal interpolation again, and then ease out. So after doing that, I'm going to expand the position effect. Now, on that position, I have this curve right here. So I'm going to modify this curve by creating this shape right here, or making this curve right here by moving these nodes around. So I'm going to move this backward and then move this closer to create this curve. Now, what this means is that at the beginning of the scrolling is going to be a little bit faster, at the beginning of the scrolling is going to be fast. And then when it gets to this point right here, this peak right here, the speed is going to drop, creating a smooth scroll at the end. Now let's play this back. You can continue to modify the curve depending on what works best for you. Now, to learn more about these curves, check out my tutorial on how to create smooth animation in Premiere Pro. I have a link to that video in the description of this video, or you can click on it up here. If this video helped you, please give it a like and also do want to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.